everyone. This is my reflection about PR2, understanding the study, main problem, and importance. Our research addressed that inconsistent welding quality among Tunisia welders impact shipbuilding the standards. Addressing this is vital for maintaining Tunisia reputation and Cebu economic competitiveness is maritime industry motivation. We wanted to determine in current training programs adequately prepare welders for the specific demands of shipbuilding and Tunisia. Understanding this gap can improve and training reduce production errors. One sentence summary. Our study evaluates the welding, ensuring validity and reliability standardized. Welding tests were administered and inter-rater reliability was established to ensure consistent scoring. Survey were pilot tested to confirm clarity and relevance to the welder's experience. Areas for improvement. If we could redo one part, we would incorporate more areas for improvement. If we could redo one part, we would incorporate more longitudinal data to track skill development over time. This would provide a cleaner picture of the effectiveness of ongoing training programs. Number 3, data interpretation and findings. Surprising or significant finding. A significant variance in skill levels was found between welders with similar years of experience, suggesting inconsistent training effectiveness. This highlights the need for personal training approach at Tunisia revelation of existing literature are finding aligned with studies showing the importance of continuous specialist training in welding for shipbuilding. However, they also suggest that current training might not adequately address the specific needs of Tunisia welders. Real-life applications and future research. The results can inform target training for programs on Tunisia to improve welding quality and reduce defects. Future research could explore the impact of these training enhancement on shipbuilding efficiency and safety. Personal learning and growth. Skills development. We bond our skills in conducting technical assessment, analyzing complex data sets, and communicating findings to industry professionals. These skills are individual for our future careers in engineering and quality control. Change view. This research depends our application for the critical role of skilled welders in shipbuilding and the challenges they face. This also highlighted the importance of industry academia, collaboration for workplace development, time responsibilities, and group dynamics. We maintain open communication with Tunisia personnel and our research team to secure time completion of tasks, clear rules and regulations. Check-ins help us navigate challenges and achieve our research goal. Number 5, preparation for oral defense. Anti-accepted question panelists may ask about the generation of our findings to understand shipbuilding components or welding context. We emphasize the specific condition at Tunisia while acknowledge potential limitation. Justification of methodology. Our methodology was chosen to directly assess welding skills relevant to shipbuilding at Tunisia, balancing practical testing with qualitative insights. We will highlight the rigor and relevance of our chosen methods. Strongest arguments. Our strongest argument is the potential for this research to directly improve welding quality and reduce defects at Tunisia. By informing targeted training programs, our study can contribute to enhance shipbuilding standards and economic benefits for Cebu.